Wood sandwich panels, featuring a layer of polystyrene foam between two wooden slats, are a popular choice for house construction. A 255mm thick wall made of these panels provides insulation equivalent to an 860mm thick timber wall. Houses constructed with this material are approximately 40% more cost-effective for heating. The construction speed is not compromised, with some companies completing a house in just a few months. The material is both breathable and durable. Thanks to its composition, these panels are lighter and more affordable than traditional timber. MegaDeck composite mats work like magic, allowing you to set up a temporary construction site or a road practically anywhere, even in a swamp. These mats, made from a patented HDPE, can handle loads of up to 42 kg per square, weighing 465 kg and measuring 4.3 by 2.3 meter. They are easily movable with a standard forklift. The mat fasteners are smartly designed with a built-in indicator to signal whether they are locked or unlocked. Impressively, these mats boast a lifespan exceeding 10 years. In Augustin, Germany, construction workers accomplished a notable feat. In an astonishing engineering feat between April 2016 and March 2017, a 1,200-ton tunnel was seamlessly installed beneath a railroad. The builders showed exceptional speed and precision, employing 16 robust Hydra systems and steel beams as improvised rails. The tunnel, measuring 35 by 15 by 7 meters, traversed a distance of 23 meters with remarkable accuracy. This remarkable achievement stands as a testament to the builder's impressive skills, demonstrating ingenuity and expertise in executing complex projects. Siding panels are another timeless choice for buildings. The latest version of NewTechWood. Crafted from innovative wood-plastic composite, this siding is a powerhouse of durability, stain resistance, and UV radiation defiance. Installing it is so easy, with panels available in convenient lengths of 2.4 or 4.8 meters. What sets it apart? NewTechWood takes a vertical approach, offering a seamless facade that's both sleek and sturdy. The magic happens with invisible joints, thanks to the O8 clamps. We can't make a video about construction without mentioning formwork. Let's check out Thermo Solaio formwork panels. Discover the future of construction with this foam panels, revolutionizing traditional slabs, making them approximately 120 kg per square meter lighter. This not only relieves stress on foundations, but also ensures easy transportation on site. Make your projects with eco-friendly Thermo Solaio Plus panels, crafted exclusively from renewable resources. A team of just 2 people can handle the job seamlessly. Transform your construction experience with these panels by effortlessly handling, transporting, and installing these innovative wonders. Steinzoi Kuramo plants operate 24/7 to support customers in resolving drainage and water supply. The company specializes in manufacturing components for repairing sewage systems, such as reinforcing tunnel walls, pipes and sewers with polymer concrete and polyceramic blocks. In tight spaces, DURA CL elements, made of fiberglass reinforced plastic, are supplied for installation in the collector or other drainage network parts. These solutions boast a lifespan of approximately 100 years, and after that period, some blocks can be fully recycled. These objects, which look like oversized microchips, are thermal insulation elements. Builders utilize Isokorb thermal insulator elements to create thermal breaks between features like balconies and parapets, reducing thermal bridges, especially in earthquake-prone areas. These elements, offering limitless design possibilities, are highly effective. For example, Isokorb thermal insulation elements support 122 balconies in the luxurious Belgian complex, Thyssen-Door. Reviews emphasize that Isokorb is an excellent choice for balconies with an outreach of up to 3 meters. The CableSmart system is designed to be the quickest choice for installing cables above ground. The fasteners are designed to securely hold up to 60 cables, with a cross-section of 185 square millimeters each. This system has an estimated service life of 30 years, meeting both American and British standards. It's built to withstand tough conditions, with the double mount capable of handling loads up to 30 kilogram. The product has undergone extensive testing, ensuring its performance in temperatures ranging from 90 to -40 degrees Celsius. Meets the DF061 system equipped with 12 laser sensors, 10 controllers, Liar intelligent scanning, and SLAM mapping technology. The world's first plastering robot, designed by Beyond Plastering, may seem like a Mars rover, but it goes beyond that. This innovative robot not only excels in plastering, but can also handle sanding and painting, thanks to its 6-meter reaching manipulator. Its advanced features allow precise movement with a remarkable accuracy of 0.1 millimeter. For more, it boasts Level 3 autonomous driving, surpassing the Tesla Model S Autopilot's Level 2 capabilities. This robot is a groundbreaking invention, showing advanced technology for construction tasks beyond traditional plastering, demonstrating its versatility and precision in various applications. Fastcoat offers a quick and simple solution for thermal insulation. This foam is extremely user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. Just 1 can of this foam is sufficient to cover a 3 square meter area with a 1.5 centimeter thick layer. It adheres excellently to various materials such as concrete, steel, wood, and water pipes. Fast coats prevent thermal bridges and offer easy repainting if you're unsatisfied with the color. Additionally, it provides noise protection as a bonus. It's recommended to apply the foam at temperatures of 5 degrees Celsius, and once cured, it can withstand temperatures ranging from -75 degrees Celsius to 115 degrees Celsius. The E.ON Group stands as one of Europe's largest energy grid infrastructure operators. A powerhouse catering to 48 million customers, is dedicated to climate protection through innovative initiatives. One standout project is the Digital Heating Map, offering German residents real-time data on their heat situation. Simply input your postal code into the app, and voila, get instant insights with CO2 emissions considered. But that's not all. E.ON dives into smaller projects too. Take, for instance, their commitment to insulating building facades, showed in this video. This seemingly simple step goes a long way, slashing heat losses by almost a third, translating into substantial savings on energy bills. E.ON's multifaceted approach not only benefits millions, but also contributes significantly to a greener future. Meanwhile, workers at other sites are busy constructing retaining walls to prevent soil from sliding. Often serving decorative purposes, these structures can be more than just barriers. Builders sometimes craft walls up to 3 meters high, opting for a straightforward approach without reinforcing elements. Imagine the skill it takes to stack blocks as heavy as 500 kilogram or intricately design walls with blocks reaching a whopping 1600 kilogram. In simpler projects, smaller 45 kilogram blocks can be effortlessly moved by hand. A retaining wall is built to keep soil or similar materials in place, like at the edge of a terrace or excavation. It's constructed to handle the sideways pressure of soil when there's a planned change in ground elevation that goes beyond the soil's natural angle of repose. These walls are mainly used in geotechnical engineering to strengthen soil, enhance its ability to bear weight, and resist uneven settling. Their purpose is to create flat areas on sloped land, offer extra support to natural slopes, and build terraces for infrastructure, ultimately maximizing space on the site.